What up, guys? It's Chris the Cat Barbecue. So I've been thinking lately, I've been doing a lot of videos outside, and maybe not all of you have the ability of having a grill or a smoker. Well, don't worry, I'm not leaving you guys out today. Today we are doing barbecue cheese stuffed meatballs, but we're not even leaving our kitchen. Here, I'll show you. Let's go. So here's our cast of characters for today. Now all the ingredients will be down in the show notes below, but just real quick, let's just go over everything. So we have two types of meat. We have 1 pound of a ground sirloin. It's a 90-10 blend. And we have a pound of pork. I'm only gonna be using about a 1/3 pound of this. So a 1/3 pound and 1 pound of beef. We have some shredded Parmesan, egg, thyme. I'm gonna be using this Kansas City all-purpose barbecue rub. It's made by 3 Little Pigs. I got this for Father's Day. I haven't really used it yet, so I just want to give it a try, and this will give us our good barbecue flavor. We're gonna use some Panko breadcrumbs, but not only Panko, it's Italian Panko. So I didn't even know they made different flavors of Panko, so that was perfect for meatballs. We have a 1/3 of an onion, red onion, got 2 garlic cloves, and of course when I say 2, I mean 6, but no, really 2. We got some mozzarella cheese sticks, some Worcestershire, and barbecue sauce. Use whatever barbecue sauce you want. Obviously not gonna be using this whole thing, but. All right, that's all the ingredients. We're gonna blend everything together except for the meat, get a nice little slurry going, and then work in the meat, because we don't want these ending up too tough. So you don't wanna blend everything with the meat too early. While we're blending everything together, we are heating up our oven to 300 degrees. All right, so here's where you get to have some fun. So obviously glove up if you don't want to get your hands dirty, and get some of your meat. Now this depends on how many you're making, it'll depend on how much you want to put. I like having mine about the size, yeah, a little bigger than a golf ball. Yeah, it's maybe about 1.5 inches wide, but about the size of a golf ball. Okay, then you roll it, make sure it's somewhat even together, then push in. Now I've taken our mozzarella sticks and I've cut them up into smaller pieces. I get them at about 6 or 7 per stick, and you want to push one of these in there and seal it up. Now you have a cheese stuffed meatball. All right, there it is. Over here, I have a sheet tray with the rack inside of it. This is gonna let the drippings come out of the meatballs, that way they're not sitting in it. And it's gonna just help with the texture. All right, while we're waiting for the meatballs to cook, I want to go over a couple of very important things. First, as your meatballs are cooking, get your sauce, your barbecue sauce, hot. That way, when you're brushing it on, it doesn't shock the meat. So that will actually increase your cooking time, and it might do something weird to the texture. So you don't want that. Heat up your sauce. Also, what we're looking for is a temperature around the perimeter. Can't really take a temperature right in the center because of that cheese. Give you an off reading, so you want to probe kind of the edges. And we're looking for 155. At that point is when we're gonna sauce. Let it ride up to 165 with the sauce. And third, maybe the most important step of this whole thing. Oktoberfest. Celebrate it. All right. Check these out. Looking beautiful. And 152. 153. 151. Yep. 150. All right. So we're gonna pull these and sauce them. Just a light coat on all of it. Kind of spin on the side and right back. I don't want the sauce just glopped on, so it's gonna just be a nice light coat, and it'll sheen up and tack up as it cooks the rest of the way. All right, finished with our fancy plating. So let's get into these things. One of these here. Cut it open. Oh, look at that. Juicy. Cheese is nice and soft. Oh, looks awesome. See all the ingredients in there. Got the onion, garlic, cheese. Smells absolutely fantastic. The barbecue sauce tacked up nicely. All right, give this a try. All right. Oh. All the textures are coming together. All the flavors are coming together. That pork and beef are really a perfect combination. That's why you see it all over the place. And these things would be a great slider if you want to squish them together a little bit. Less meatball and more patty. You could make a great Juicy Lucy for a slider. But the barbecue flavor is there. Yes, because of the barbecue sauce, but also that punch of the rub that's inside of it. Just the barbecue rub working together with the seasonings, the thyme, the garlic, all that. There's definitely great texture from the egg and the panko. Panko is a great substitute for regular breadcrumbs. Do it whenever you can. It definitely gives it a different texture. But these things are fantastic. Would it be better coming from outside? Maybe, I would think so. Do they taste good? Abso-freaking-lutely. This recipe is rock solid. So I don't care if you don't have a barbecue, please make this stuff. It is fantastic. This stuff would make a great contribution to a barbecue themed dinner. So guys, I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe if you can. I always love reading all your guys' comments, so please comment down below if you'll try this or if you have other ideas. Guys, I just appreciate you guys' time just watching my videos. And today, I really wanted to prove that you don't have to have a barbecue or smoker to make great barbecue. So with that, I'm gonna say, whether it's by barbecue, oven, or skillet, just cook it. All right, guys, see you later.